Most people think comparing lenders is just about finding the lowest rate. But honestly, there's a lot more that can impact your experience and long-term financial impact or comfort than just the rate alone. My name's Sabrina. For those who don't know, I help homeowners and buyers without pressure, understanding their options. And tonight we're going to be talking about a topic that honestly is very overwhelming. How to actually compare lenders and what you should be paying attention to. One of the biggest mistakes that people make is comparing lenders by one thing, the interest rate. A mortgage is really a financial decision. So, communication, transparency, comfort, and strategy. Those are items that you really want to pay attention to. So, how somebody communicates and explains things really does matter. Green flags. A good lender or broker should help you understand, not pressure you into making fast decisions. So, explain things clearly, answering questions, giving you time, discusses scenarios. In my opinion, as a mortgage officer, I definitely came across situations where there was like two or three paths that I could lead my borrowers in. And I definitely did that. Explained the good, the bad, the good, the bad, the good, the bad. And ultimately, with the numbers, when you're working with numbers, there's a lot of creativity that you can do, honestly. So I always like to present all options to my clients, no matter what, because you never know if you don't know what you don't know. Something might fit you a little bit better than the other option, or something about it might entice you to move forward with that other option. So definitely have seen this multiple times. Okay, some red flags. If you feel confused, rushed, or uncomfortable, you just got that like gut feeling, you're like, I don't know about this. That is very important to pay attention to. So, some things I have are rushing, vague answers, pressure, avoiding details. Um, I can tell you at the way that I personally love to work is getting all the details. And ultimately, if there's things that I don't know, I'm very honest in saying, you know what, let me double check. I will get back to you. Getting those answers and getting those details really does matter at the end of the day. Okay. Approval, best fit. So, approval, just because a loan is approved doesn't automatically mean that it fits your lifestyle comfortably. I've had so many situations where their loan is approved and they don't move forward, which is absolutely okay. And I respect the decisions that my borrowers make, and truly, anybody should make, because if it really doesn't fit your lifestyle or your goals at the time, it's not a good fit. It's not, I should not move forward. Or maybe you should pause, think about it a little bit more, evaluate your decisions. But just because something is approved doesn't always mean it's the best fit. So just wanted to touch base on that. Here's the thing. One of the best things you can do is ask questions until you fully understand your decision or the decision that's at hand. Some really great questions to ask are, what are my options? What changes my payment? What are my total costs? And what are my next steps? I love the question, what are my next steps? And comparing scenarios and comparing the full picture. So sometimes a lower rate doesn't actually create the best overall financial income or outcome. So you want to compare the full picture when you're looking at things, because you never know if this is going to be the best decision at the time. I always say we are on different timelines. We all have different goals. We all have different situations, income-wise, family-wise, anything. So if something feels rushed, pause. Big financial decisions deserve time and understanding. Understand before you decide. And my goal, again, with these workshops is always the same, to help people understand their options clearly and make decisions with more confidence and less pressure. Okay. And then I will remind you that I do have some really great tools I created and crafted and really beautiful website with some resources